the rig. Right, I use a 12-inch ready-made trace. Swivel one end and snap link with the other end. Right, the first thing that I do, take the snap link off and then put on some rubber tube, which I've got halfway on there, so slip that on, rubber tube, so there we go. Then I use a size 8 offset eye. So put that on, and remember to put it on backwards, so through there. Then snap link back on, and another size 8 hook, treble hook, snap it back on. Then I allow this hook here, then this treble, to move freely, and it gives me a lot of flexibility for what sort of size fish I want to put on there. So you can set it wherever you want. You know, you can have a smaller fish, or you can pull it along and you can put a bigger fish on. And then you can place the tubing on the eye, and then, as you can see, you see what the eye does, it kicks it upwards towards the back fin. So I hope that rig is useful for somebody.